Coping with depression can be a challenging journey, but it's important to remember that there are strategies and techniques that can help you manage and alleviate symptoms. Taking proactive steps towards self-care and incorporating healthy coping mechanisms into your routine can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Whether it's through lifestyle changes, seeking professional help, or developing healthy habits, coping with depression is possible, and you are not alone in this process. Praying in the morning. Starting your day with prayer can provide a sense of grounding and help you set a positive tone for the day ahead. It can be a moment of quiet reflection or a time to connect with your spiritual beliefs, whichever resonates with you personally. If you're not a religious person, try meditating. Incorporating meditation into your morning routine can help calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve your overall mental well-being. It can be as simple as sitting quietly and focusing on your breath for a few minutes or using a meditation app to guide you. Next, avoiding social media. Limiting your exposure to social media, especially in the morning, can be beneficial for your mental health. Social media can sometimes trigger negative emotions and comparisons, which can worsen depression. Instead, focus on engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Third, writing priorities for the day. Writing down your priorities for the day can help you stay organized and focused. It gives you a sense of purpose and accomplishment as you work through your tasks. Start by listing a few realistic goals for the day, which can help you feel more motivated and productive. Next, eat healthy foods. A balanced and nutritious breakfast can support your mental health when coping with depression. Choose whole grains like oats or quinoa, protein-rich foods such as eggs or Greek yogurt, and a variety of fruits and vegetables like berries or spinach. Incorporate healthy fats like nuts or avocados in moderation, and limit added sugars and processed foods. Staying hydrated with water or herbal tea is also important. Remember to listen to your body and consider consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized nutrition advice. Fifth, exercise. What are the benefits of exercise? Exercise boosts mood by releasing endorphins, serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine in the brain, which can improve mood and reduce depression symptoms. It also promotes better sleep, increases self-esteem, and reduces stress and anxiety. Additionally, exercise provides a distraction from negative thoughts and can improve cognitive function. Next, nature time. Spending time in nature can be a beneficial way to cope with depression. Nature's calming effects can help reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression, providing a peaceful and serene environment for relaxation and mindfulness. Physical activity in nature, such as walking, hiking, or cycling, can also boost mood by releasing endorphins and providing a double dose of mood-boosting benefits with the natural beauty and tranquility of the outdoors. Additionally, exposure to natural sunlight in nature can provide essential vitamin D, which has been linked to improved mental health. Seventh, do some hobbies. To cope with depression, engaging in hobbies can be a helpful strategy. Hobbies provide a healthy distraction and promote accomplishment, pleasure, and enjoyment. By immersing yourself in activities that interest you, you can shift your focus away from negative thoughts and emotions, improve your mood, and foster a sense of purpose and meaning. It's essential to find hobbies that you enjoy and make time for them regularly as part of your self-care routine. Next, socializing. For managing depression, socializing can be a beneficial coping strategy. It provides support, distraction, enjoyment, and a sense of purpose. When you connect with others, you have the opportunity to share your thoughts and emotions, gain perspective, and feel heard. Trusted friends, family, or a therapist can offer validation, understanding, and helpful advice. Engaging in social activities, such as going for a walk with a friend or participating in group events, can also distract you from negative thoughts and emotions, boost mood, and foster a sense of connection and well-being. Furthermore, socializing can offer enjoyment and pleasure as you laugh, talk, and share experiences with others. It releases feel-good hormones and promotes a sense of belonging and community. Next, creating a calming environment. Creating a calming environment in your bedroom can help set the tone for a peaceful bedtime routine. This can include dimming the lights, using calming scents, such as lavender or chamomile, in the form of essential oils or a bedtime spray, and keeping your bedroom clean and clutter-free. Next, write down the positive. Journaling about positive things can be a helpful coping strategy for managing depression. It allows you to intentionally focus on the good in your life and cultivate a positive mindset. Writing down positive experiences can also serve as a form of practicing gratitude, which has been shown to have numerous mental health benefits. In addition, journaling about positive experiences can create a record of progress and provide a safe space for emotional expression. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to journal, and it's important to find a style and approach that works best for you. Next, hands-off devices. Getting away from devices before sleeping involves avoiding the use of electronic devices before bedtime, as it can disrupt sleep quality and relaxation. Electronic devices emit blue light that can interfere with melatonin production and stimulate the mind, making it challenging to unwind. And last, sleeping 7 to 9 hours. Adequate sleep is crucial for mental health. Establishing a consistent sleep routine and aiming for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night can help regulate mood, improve cognitive function, and increase resilience to stress. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that works for you, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques. Remember that coping with depression is a personal journey, and it's important to find what works best for you. It may take time and effort to identify the strategies that are most effective in managing your depression, but don't give up. Surround yourself with supportive individuals, seek professional help if needed, and prioritize self-care. You deserve to live a fulfilling life, and taking steps towards coping with depression can lead to improved mental health and well-being. Keep moving forward, and know that there is hope for a brighter future. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.